Ain't no harm in cheating a bit. Place it in there sideways. And it's in low, right?
Yeah.
Oh, that's awesome. So if it'll do donuts on that wet concrete. Oh, I got to get a better shot of that. Come here, do it again. You're gonna soak me, but it's worth it. Do it.
Oh, it doesn't let it go once it starts going.
Gas it. You hear it squeal the tires? Oh. Stay in it, do a donut. That thing is awesome. See if you can drift it around out there.
Probably could if I can know how.
And just hammer the throttle and just kind of tap it and keep it straight.
Uh-oh. It's a good way to burn down your tires.
Here, can I drive it?
Yeah, go ahead.
Let's see if I can drift it around down there.
Go ahead, have some fun. Yeah, that's really thick. Told you, it's hard. The front wheels have like no grip.
Once you get it around, it's so there's way too much mass. It just wants to.
Just grips. I'm telling you, it's fun. It's great. It's all that mud.
Top of this hill with it.
Telling you, it's a fun little car. I tried flipping it off the back of that sign up there, but I couldn't.
Yeah, be careful with that.
I know.
Just did a wheelie down that hill.
It's a good way to wash your car off, though. Running in a puddle for a little bit. I'm not getting good track of or not getting good. Keep tracking it.
We're jumping it down the hill.
Running through these horse apples is fun. I didn't even notice he flipped it.